Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be the most ambitious smartphone release we've seen, and it might just redefine the industry. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate guide to Samsung's 2025 flagship, with every leak, rumor, and spec detail packed into a comprehensive look at the device. From its 200 megapixel camera to satellite connectivity and ultra powerful performance, Samsung isn't just aiming to keep up with competitors, it's about to blow them out of the water. Let's jump right in because you'll want to stick around for all the surprising new features and cutting-edge tech in Samsung's latest innovation. Kicking things off with design, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to bring some major design changes. Rumor has it, Samsung is going all in on premium materials with a titanium frame that offers durability without the weight. It's sleeker, it's stronger, and it's a huge leap forward in terms of build quality. Not only does this give it an incredible look and feel, but it also helps protect the phone from drops and scratches. Now imagine holding a device that feels as premium as it performs, a perfect fit for users who demand both style and function in their smartphones. One of the biggest talking points is the display. Samsung is known for its gorgeous screens, and this year, they're taking it to another level. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's rumored 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display is expected to feature a 144Hz refresh rate, bringing super smooth animations and responsive interactions. This display will likely have a peak brightness of 2,500 nits, making it one of the brightest displays on the market. And let's talk about that iconic S Pen. Rumor has it, Samsung has made huge improvements to the S Pen's functionality. This year, we might see new features like gesture controls for remote commands and even a built-in battery for longer use. Imagine controlling your phone from a distance, flipping through slides, or sketching out ideas with precision, all enhanced by the S25 Ultra's upgraded software and processing power. The S Pen is more than just an accessory. It's a tool that transforms how you interact with your device. Now, let's dive into the real powerhouse of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, its camera. The 200 megapixel main sensor is set to revolutionize mobile photography, allowing for extremely high-resolution shots that maintain quality even when zoomed in. But it's not just about megapixels. Samsung's likely integrating AI-enhanced photography that adjusts to lighting, detects subjects, and stabilizes for clearer shots. You can expect incredible low-light performance with the Ultra's nightography feature now reportedly optimized to capture more detail in low-light settings. If you're in a video, Samsung's rumored to add 8K recording at 60 frames per second, giving you movie-quality footage straight from your pocket. With features like live HDR and cinematic video stabilization, you'll be able to capture everything from fast-paced sports to family moments with pro-level clarity. Samsung's new AI-driven image processing means that even the slightest movements are detected and compensated for, resulting in buttery smooth, stable video no matter the circumstances. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to feature the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, delivering next-gen power and efficiency. This chip is rumored to be built on a 3-in process, offering up to 40% more power efficiency and a 45% increase in processing power compared to the previous model. Whether you're multitasking between heavy apps, gaming at high frame rates, or streaming in 4K, the S25 Ultra promises a performance experience like no other. And with 16 gigabytes of RAM as standard, this device is designed for power users who need their phones to keep up with everything they throw at it. Battery life is another area where Samsung seems to be pushing boundaries. With a rumored 5,500 mAh battery, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is designed to last even the busiest of days. Samsung's enhancements in battery optimization, combined with the efficiency of the new Snapdragon processor, could mean an extra 3 to 4 hours of screen-on time compared to the S24 Ultra. Plus, with 45V wired charging and 25V wireless charging, you won't be tied to the charger for long. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is also expected to offer enhanced integration with Samsung's ecosystem, particularly with devices like the Galaxy Ring 2. If you've ever wanted your phone, watch, and other devices to seamlessly sync and work together, Samsung's 2025 lineup could make that dream a reality. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is going to be Samsung's flagship, and they're clearly sparing no expense in making it the ultimate device of 2025. If you're looking to upgrade or you're just curious about the latest in mobile tech, be sure to subscribe because we'll keep you updated with the latest on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's see what Samsung's ultimate flagship has in store.